Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You're starting with an unlocked iPhone 17 Pro running the latest iOS. Make a quick iCloud or Finder backup now so you can restore if needed. Once done, open Settings and tap Cellular. You'll see your ESIM lines listed. You're taking action immediately. Identify the ESIM label you want to remove because deleting the wrong line can disrupt service. Tap the specific ESIM name to reveal its details, and stay focused. We'll remove it in the next step. You're now in the ESIM detail view. Tap Remove Cellular Plan and read the on-screen confirmation carefully. Once you confirm, the iPhone deletes the ESIM profile locally. This severs the phone's profile, but doesn't always cancel your carrier account. Make sure to contact your carrier if you need them to fully deactivate billing or free the number. After deletion, restart the iPhone to ensure all radio caches are cleared, and verify Cellular shows the correct remaining lines. Finish by checking Settings Cellular to confirm the ESIM is gone and your active lines look correct. If you see no service, toggle airplane mode off and on, or restart again. These quick resets refresh network registration. If you need the number back, re-add an ESIM using a carrier QR or their app. If the phone reports activation or billing errors after removal, contact your carrier. They can clear server-side records or reissue a new ESIM.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.